What is the first thing that you are? Well, you are an Oops, sorry, but that's true. We all are. Biologically, during developmental stages, your mouth comes second, which is why we belong to Deuterostomes group. What comes first is an So the next time you feel proudy, don't forget that you are nothing but an Do you know only the trunk of an elephant has about 40,000 muscles? That is far more than the entire human's body. That is only 600. Are we humans? Well, after being an we also are more bacteria than we are a human. Because humans have 10 times more number of bacterial cells than human cells. Fortunately, the size of the bacterial cell is a lot smaller than the human cell. So in terms of space, human cells occupy a greater area, which makes us more humans than any other thing in this regard. Thank God. Do you know frog cannot vomit? If a frog eats something toxic, it can't eject its stomach contents. So it throws up its entire stomach inside out and removes all of the rubbish. This process is called full gastric eversion. Then it swallows its stomach back with the help of its hands or legs, whatever they are. Just like you pull your empty pockets out and then push them back into your pants. You may have shuffled a deck of cards. Have you ever thought how many maximum number of combinations you can get out of it? Well, that's more than the number of atoms on this entire earth. By rough approximation, there are this much of atoms that make up the earth. That's almost 10 raised to power 50 atoms. Now to know how many combinations can be made from 52 cards, you can simply multiply 52 cross 51 cross 50 cross 49 cross 48 and so on till 1. That gives us a number with an order of 10 raised to power 67, which is a huge number. That means you can shuffle a deck of cards with 10 raised to power 67 different combinations. Moving to our solar system, you can fit all of the planets of our solar system in between the Earth and Moon. As the average distance between Earth and Moon is 2,39,200 miles, and the total area covered by the diameter of all of the planets if stacked together makes 2,33,865 miles. Even after that, we have plenty of room to spare. It's expected that the sun that makes 99.8% of our solar system will run out of fuel in approximately 5 billion years. And whenever it does, our eternal life is gonna begin. Do you know you will live a million seconds in the next 11 days? Specifically 11 days, 13 hours, 46 minutes and 40 seconds. And your journey of a billion seconds on this planet will be completed in the next 31.71 years from now on. We all are made up of stars. Every element heavier than hydrogen or helium, including all that carbon in your body, was formed when stars died in that violent supernova explosion. Studies show that 7,000 US citizens die every year and the other 1.5 million impair their health due to illegible doctors' writing. Well, it seems that in physicians' course of study, a subject of neat handwriting skill development should also be introduced to reduce the mortality rate. We will end our video with money. That is, if you earn more than $18,000 per year, be proud because you are amongst 4% of the richest people on earth. But before being proud, think about who you are first.